fundamental 1.8 type of computer. PC personal computer. The PC can be defined as a small, relatively inexpensive computer designed for an individual user. PCs are based on the microprocessor technology that enables manufacturers to put an entire CPU on one chip. Businesses use personal computers for word processing, accounting, desktop publishing, and for running spreadsheet and database management applications. At home, the most popular use for personal computers is for playing games and surfing the internet. 2. Although personal computers are designed as single-user systems, these systems are normally linked together to form a network. In terms of power, nowadays high-end models of the Macintosh and PC offer the same computing power and graphics capability as low-end workstations by Sun Microsystems, Hewlett Packard, and Dell. Workstation. One DAW workstation is a computer used for engineering applications, CAD/CAM, desktop publishing, software development, and other such types of applications which require a moderate amount of computing power and relatively high-quality graphics capabilities. 2. Common operating systems for workstations are Unix and Windows NT. Like PC, workstations are also single-user computers. However, workstations are typically linked together to form a local area network, although they can also be used as stand-alone systems. 3. Workstations generally come with a large, high-resolution graphics screen, large amount of RAM, inbuilt network support, and a graphical user interface. Most workstations also have a mass storage device such as a disk drive, but a special type of workstation, called a diskless workstation, comes without a disk drive. Mini computer. It is a mid-sized computer. A mini computer is a multi-processing system capable of supporting from up to 250 users simultaneously. Mainframe. Mainframe is a very large in size and is an expensive computer capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. Mainframe executes many programs concurrently. Mainframes support many simultaneous programs execution. Supercomputer. Supercomputers are one of the fastest computers currently available. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations, number crunching. For example, weather forecasting, scientific simulations, animated graphics, fluid dynamic calculations, nuclear energy research, electronic design, and analysis of geological data, e.g. in petrochemical prospecting. 1.9 Basic logical structure. 2.0 Unit input unit. This unit contains devices with the help of which we enter data into computer. This unit makes link between user and computer. The input devices translate the human being information into the form understandable by computer. CPU Central Processing Unit. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU perform all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results, and instructions program. It controls the operation of all parts of computer. CPU itself has following three components: ALU, arithmetic logic unit, memory unit, control unit, output unit. Output unit consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from the computer. This unit is a link between computer and users. Output devices translate the computer's output into the form understandable by users. 2.1 CPU Central Processing Unit. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results, and instructions program. It controls the operation of all parts of computer. CPU itself has following three components: memory or storage unit, control unit, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. 2.2 memory of storage unit. This unit can store instruction, data, and intermediate results. This unit supplies information to the other units of the computer when needed. It is also known as internal storage unit or main memory or primary storage or random access memory RAM. Its size affects speed, power, and capability. There are primary memory and secondary memory, two types of memories in the computer. It stores all the data to be processed and the instructions required for processing. It stores intermediate results of processing. It stores final results of processing before these results are released to an output device. All inputs and outputs are transmitted through main memory. 2.3 Control unit. This unit controls the operations of all parts of computer. It does not carry out any actual data processing operations. Function of this unit are: it is responsible for controlling the transfer of data and instructions among other units of a computer. It manages and coordinates all the units of the computer. That obtains the instructions from the memory, interprets them, and directs the operation of the computer. It communicates with input/output devices for transfer of data or results from storage. It does not process or store data. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This unit consists of two subsections, namely arithmetic section, logic section. Arithmetic section. Function of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All complex operations are done by making repetitive use of above operations. Logic section. Function of logic section is to perform logic operations such as comparing, selecting, matching, and merging of data. Check your PROGRESS. Question 1. How many types of computer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 2. Which unit makes link between user and computer? Input unit, output unit, array unit, control unit. Question 3. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, Central Program Unit, Central Process Unit. Central Public Unit. Question 4. Which unit consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from computer? Input unit, output unit, control unit, CPU. Question 5. ALU stand for Arithmetic Logical Unit, All Logical Unit, Arithmetic Local Unit, Arithmetic Logical Union. Question 6. Who is considered as the brain of the computer? CPU. ALU. SMPs. CAD. Question 7. Who obtains the instructions from the memory? Control unit. ALU. CPU. AC. Question 8. RAM stand for Random Access Memory, Read Access Memory, Random Access Map, Register Access Memory. Question 9. What is secondary storage device? Hard disk, RAM, chip, pen drive. Question 10. What is primary memory? RAM, prompt